This video will go over how to review location definition information update files in FUDSChem. If placeholders are entered for location data, they should be updated as soon as possible by creating a location definition information update file. We go into detail in our Updating Location Information tutorial video, linked in the description. Once the file is certified, it is ready for core review. To review the updates, go to Tools, Data Approval. Choose the project. Select Location Definition Updates. Click the number of records to review the data. Pending updates are highlighted yellow, making it easy to see what will be changed. White cells contain the same data as the original file, and therefore will not be updated. Blank cells will not be impacted. Review the highlighted fields for accuracy. The valid values are defined in the footnote. If you expected any white or blank fields to be updated, talk to the contractor. If necessary, multiple update files can be submitted for the same location. Once all the placeholders are resolved, the LocID status should be updated to Final. For final data, the EMCX has requested that the following key fields be as accurate as possible. Location type, north coordinate, east coordinate, coordinate method, establishing date, surface elevation, elevation method, total borehole depth, and borehole diameter. Ensuring these are accurate will prevent issues when data is transferred into the eChem database behind the USACE firewall. For details on the transfer process, please refer to our Data Usability Assessment tutorial video, linked in the description. Note that the contractor will receive errors if they attempt to finalize a location that still has placeholders. In cases where placeholders cannot be resolved due to the age of the data, they may work with Synectics to change errors to warnings. However, they should also update the location description to note that the placeholders cannot be resolved. This will help inform you during your review. In this case, the file is looking good. We will go back to Tools, Data Approval, and click the Notepad icon to approve the file. Once the file has been approved, you can view a summary of changes by going to Reports, Location Definition Updates over time. Fill out the drop-downs, then click View Report. This report provides a timeline of changes. It shows the original data, followed by the data from each update. File names and submission details are listed on the far right. All of our reports can be saved in a variety of formats by clicking on the floppy disk icon. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.